In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get more Lovable credits in 2026. If you want to earn more credits on Lovable, the good news is that the platform makes this pretty simple through its sharing and referral option. I'm going to walk you through exactly where to find it, what the offer means, and how to share your link correctly so you can start taking advantage of it. First, head over to Lovable and open your dashboard. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to make sure you're fully loaded into the main account view. This is important because the option you need is found inside the dashboard interface, not somewhere on a public landing page. Next, look toward the lower left side of the screen where the sidebar menu appears. This area usually contains account and navigation options, so if you don't see it right away, just scan the left-hand panel carefully. When you find it, click on the option labeled Share Lovable. This will open the referral or invite section where Lovable explains how its credit sharing system works. At this point, read the section called Spread the Love. This is where Lovable outlines the benefit of inviting other people to the platform. It's always worth reading this section instead of skipping through it because it helps you understand exactly when credits are awarded and what actions the invited person needs to take. From there, share your invite link. Lovable provides a unique referral link tied to your account, and this is the link you'll want to send out. The person you invite can use it to sign up through your referral. According to the information shown here, when they sign up, they get an extra 10 credits. That can make your invite more appealing since the person joining gets a bonus right away. Then, if that person subscribes to a pro plan with 100 credits per month or higher, you receive 100 credits. This is the key part of the referral program because your reward depends on them upgrading to an eligible paid plan. Finally, to share it, just copy the link and paste it wherever you want to send it. You can place it in a message, email, social post, or anywhere else you normally communicate with people who may be interested. Just make sure you're sharing the correct invite link from the Share Lovable section so the referral tracks properly. And that's it. That's how to get more Lovable credits in 2026 by using the built-in Share Lovable referral feature.